I want to give you a couple tips and strategies for what you're about to embark on and how to kind of set it up. So, the first thing you need to do is set up your LLC. But before you do that, we have an amazing partnership with Prime who's going to help you do it. There's a link below to get set up in the best structure for your state, your situation, everything like that. So 100% follow whatever advice it is. The consultations, 45 minutes is 100% free. It doesn't cost anything to get the advice. So definitely recommend that. Um, Second thing is when it comes to naming your new LLC, especially your wholesale LLC, and this is where we're at right now, uh, don't put your name in it. Make it as generic as possible. Never ever put your name in any of your LLCs, in my opinion, but especially your wholesale LLC. And we'll get into that later when we talk about wholesaling to ourselves and really breaking that down. But keep it generic. Use the words holdings, solutions, whatever it is. But again, Prime will guide you through that. Second thing is you're starting a business and you want to build a brand. Building the brand is really important. And that's going to be out there, whether it's on your packets, your email campaign, your t-shirts, whatever you want to put it on. And I would go to Fiverr, and there's a link to this below, but go to Fiverr and just search logo creators. Anybody that can make a logo on Fiverr. And you can get a logo done that matches up with that will match up with your LLC. And it doesn't need to be perfect, but just something where they can kind of like tie in a little bit. But you can get a logo made off Fiverr for nothing, for really inexpensive, 5, 10, 15 bucks for a cool logo that serves its purpose. So, at this point, you've had created an LLC, had Prime help you knock that out. We have a logo. It's going to be associated with your brand. And the more you're out there, the more that logo's out there, the more brand familiarity. And that's going to help a ton, as you're going through the rest of this training when it comes to just getting people to see your brand and associate you with buying houses. So we got those two things knocked out. The next thing I would do that's very important is set up a Google Voice number. It's 100% free. You can set up your Google Voice number, and we're going to use that for different things, and we'll go through that in different trainings. But this Google Voice number will serve as separating your personal life from your business life, right? So you'll understand and you'll know when a call's coming in, hey, it's a real estate call. So it's a sign lead call. It's a whatever call. But you'll really understand when you're taking the calls, like what kind of mindset shift you might need to take or whatever it is. But those are three things that would definitely want to knock out, get done. As far as the Google Voice number, I will actually go through setting a brand new one up in screen share so you guys can see it. But it's a very simple process, and I'll make sure that video is available for you. So let's go get this. Let's go make this money. Let's set up this business. Let's change our lives. I'm so excited for you guys.